conference will now be recorded.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Manasa వినిపిస్తుందా?
Sir, I'm listening.
I can't able to hear you. Am I audible or not? Very good, very good. Tamal, thank you. Okay, let me go. Let me go. Okay, so last class. Okay, let me connect to the collaboratory. Maybe our session is yeah, this one. Yeah, what we are going to be discussing in the last class, it seems like operators is started. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Just wait. Connect it. Connect to the cloud. Yeah, these are the operators. So last class I discussed about different kind of operators. Like operator is a symbol which can perform some operation like whatever it may be. It may be a addition, it may be a subtraction, it may be a multiplication, it may be a division, or it may be a modulo division, or it may be a power. It may be a double equal to, it may be a plus equal to, it may be a minus equal to, it may be a less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Yes, 2 plus 3. In this particular statement, 2 plus 3, 2 comma 3 are operands. 2 comma 3 are operands and plus is operator. Okay. What are the arithmetic operators, sir? What are the arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are something like a plus, minus, star, slash, double star, percentile. These are arithmetic operators. We already discussed, na? These are the arithmetic operators. We already discussed. And again, logical operators. And or end is basically in other programming languages. In other programming languages, end is something like this. Huh? In other programming languages, end is something like this. Okay, double this one. Oh, sorry, no. In other programming languages, end is different, but in Python, it is actually AND end. And OR operator, ORR, not equal to okay. Comparison operators. So what are the comparison operators we have? Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to. Increment decrement operators. In other programming languages, increment decrement operators like plus plus minus minus, but not in Python. Now, Python it is different. Python it is different. Yes. Come to the concatenation operator. Concatenation operator. What is the concatenation operator? It is a plus. It is a plus symbol. And come to the plus. About the plus, I want to talk to you. Plus is working in arithmetic and concatenate. It is having actually two phases. When we are having operands are numerical values, then plus is working as arithmetic operator. When we found any alphabet in operands, then plus is working as concatenation operator. Yeah, then plus is working as concatenation operator. And the special operator that is called as in. Special operators. What are the special operators here? One is the in operator, one is the in operator, one is the as operator. One is the in operator, one is the as operator. Yeah, I just want to go with operators now. Can I go with the program now? Operators. How many people have joined? Manasa, Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal. Sriya, anybody new today? You can talk to me now. Anybody new today?
Yes, sir, me. Rachanaya.
I think Siddhartha and Rachana both are new today.
Rachana.
Manasa, Sriya, Tamal already available persons. So, okay, let me go. Let me go with arithmetic operators, guys. Okay, let me go with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. What are that? What are that? Plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, then power. These are the arithmetic operators. And one more thing, percentile. These are the arithmetic operators. Any programming language you take JavaScript, you take Python, you take .NET, you take Java, you take Ruby language, you take a Go language, you take PHP language, any programming language you go. These are the only arithmetic operators. But this is a special one. This is a special one in Python. Double slash is there, no? That is a floor division. Floor division is special for Python. No other programming languages, this is not available. Remaining all operators are available in other programming languages, but double slash is available only in Python. Okay, let me go, guys. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, let me go. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? Execute it. It's 5. Minus 45 minus 4. Execute it. 41. Super. And this one, execute it. Super. Star operator. Star operator, nothing but multiplication. No? Okay. Okay. Divided by 5. Divided by 5. When I say divided by 5, it is actually giving the dot 8. Dot 8. Okay. Let me divide with 7. If I divide with 7, it is giving a big number. Huh? I don't want to see like this. I don't want to see like this after the decimal. So decimal points. I don't want to see the decimal points. If you don't want to see the decimal points, you can do one thing. You can give the double slash. Only floor value will come. Only floor value will come. This is actually called a floor division. Yes, I want to write down each and everything. This is called addition. This is called addition. This is called subtraction. Sir, I am telling operators. I am telling operators. This is called subtraction. This is called multiplication. Multiplication. Yeah. This is called division. Yes, this is called division. And this is called floor division. What is this? Floor division. Sir, hash is comment, sir. Hash is comment. Single line comment. Okay. Floor division. Floor division. Exactly. That is what actually I want. Let me go. Let me go. Runtime disconnected. Huh? What happened? Maybe the network issue. Wait, guys. I will connect my mobile data. Maybe some network issue is going on. I will connect my mobile data. Wait. Okay. Yeah, connected. Okay, fine. That's great. That's great. Okay, this is actually called floor division. Let me go with the power. Power. What is the power operator? What is the power operator? 22 or 23 power 4 or 3, whatever it may be. 23 to the power of 3. This is called a power operator. Power. Power. These are the arithmetic operators. These are the arithmetic operators. Let me go with the one more kind of operators. Okay, let me go with logical operators. Yes, this is super. Logical operators. Let me go with the logical operators. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead with the logical operators. And or. Okay. Did you know about the AND table? Did you know about the AND table? In the school, you learn about the AND table. AND table what? AND table what? If both the statements are true, if both the statements are true, then final output is true. Then final output is true. That is basically AND table. If both the statements are true, then only final output is true. Okay. Then go for the R table. R table. This is something like logic gates, logic gates. If any one of the statement is true, if any one of the statement is true, any one of the statement is true, then output is true. Output is true. Very good. Very good. Okay. So what is the AND table? If both the statements are true, then only final output is true. OR table, if any one of the statement is true, then output is true. That is very great. Okay. Anybody is going to be there? Screen is not visible. Huh? Tamal, I already shared my screen. Tamal, I already
Visible.
shared my screen. If anybody not able to see my screen, please let me know that.
Visible, sir. Visible.
Tamal, screen is visible or not?
Visible.
Please respond, guys. Screen is visible or not?
It's visible, sir.
Right. Very good. Now, okay. So AND table, if both statements are true, then final output is true. R table, if any one of the statement is true, then output is true. Very good. Nice. Let me go. Okay. Let me write down the two statements. 2 greater than 3. 2 greater than 3. 2 greater than 3. And 45 less than 67. First statement is true or false? First statement true or false? Basically false. And the second statement true. False and true. False and true what, sir? False only, na? Let me check the output. False. Output is false. Why? Because any one of the statement is so both the statements are true, then only true. That is the basically AND gate. Okay. Let me go with the 45 less than 67 and is operator, sir. And is operator. And 45 greater than 23. Now tell me. Now tell me. First statement true. And the second statement, it is also true. True and true. True and true. True only, na? Sir, this is the AND operator. AND operator is basically checking like if both statements are true. AND operator. What is AND operator? If both statements are true, then only final output is true. OR operator, if any one of the statement is true, then output is true. Okay. Let me take the same thing. Let me take the same thing. Let me take the same thing. But in OR operator. Here it is OR operator. Here it is OR operator. Okay. One statement is true, na? What is the statement true here? What is the statement true here? 2 greater than 3. That is false basically. Or 45 less than 67. That is true. So one statement is true. If one statement is true, final output is true. Final output is true. I got a true. I got a true. Exactly. So this is what actually I want. OR operator. OR operator, if any one of the statement is, 1 second guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay, this is actually OR operator. Okay, very good. Next, what kind of operators we want? End operator or operator or end operator or operator or logical operator. Let me go with the comparison operators. Comparison operators. How we can go with the comparison operators? Okay, comparison operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and minus, double equal to. Okay, let me go. 34 less than 56. This is true or false? True. Okay, 56 45 greater than 23. True. Okay. 45 less than or equal to 45. Sorry, less than or equal to 45. Yeah, less than or equal to, less than or equal to. So equal to is working now. Then true. Then true. Okay, next 23 less than or equal to or greater than or equal to 23. Less than or equal to is working now. Then automatically true. Super. These are the comparison operators, and one more operator is there. Let me check it out. Okay, I have Mohansh double equal to Mohansh. Am I right or wrong? Please respond, guys. This is the correct statement or wrong statement? This is the correct statement or wrong statement? Uday, Tamal, Sriya, Siddhartha, Rachna, Mansa. Is this correct statement or wrong statement? Whatever I am giving here. Is this correct statement or wrong statement? Basically, this is false. No. What do you say? Mohansh, M small letter. Next Mohansh, M is capital letter. You are doing a mistake. Please change it. Okay. Let me change it. Okay. Mohansh is equal to Mohansh. Yes. This is obviously true. True or false? Right. So these are the different kind of comparison operators. Next, what kind of operators we have? Increment decrement operators. Let me go with the increment decrement operators. Okay, let me go increment decrement operators. Let's go. Okay, so number is equal to 100. Number is equal to 100. What I want to do is number. In other programming languages, whenever you want to increment the value, +1 plus. When you want to decrement the value, minus. But in Python, not like that. In Python, there is no plus, there is no minus. What you have to do? I have to increment by 5. Number plus is equal to 5. Number plus is equal to 5. Finally, print the number, sir. Print the number, sir. Finally, 105. 105. Sir, your number is incrementing by 5. Plus is equal to. Okay, I want to make it minus. Now, what my requirement is, number minus is equal to 5. Then number, print it. Already 105 coming to 100 again. 105 coming to 100 again. Superb. Now I want to make it a division. Okay, number star is equal to 5. 4. Star is equal to 4. Then print the number. 400. Next again, number slash is equal to, number slash is equal to 4 again. Okay, division by 4 or 5. Division by 5. Now again number, I want to print the number again. Okay, super. Finally I got 80.0. 80.0. Okay, and number percentile equal to 7. Print the number. It is something like 3.0. That is a reminder value. Now number is 3.0. Okay, now I want to do power. Okay, number power equal to power means what? Double slash. Okay, power equal to 5. Again print the number. Sir, don't give spaces, huh? Don't give spaces for the operator. Now this is something like 3.0 power of 5. 3.0 power of 5 is 243.0, something like that. This is what actually the kind of operators. What kind of operators these are? These are the different kind of increment decrement operators. Next, concatenation. How to do the concatenation? Okay, I told you already. Concatenation operator is plus. Concatenation operator is plus. I already told you. Plus symbol. Whatever the plus symbol we have. Plus symbol have two faces, sir. Plus symbol have two faces. Now, when we have, okay, let me go. When we have any operand as what that character nothing but what? Alphabet. When we have any operand as alphabet, then
Sir, we
plus
also can
works
say
as
strange, right?
concatenation operator. Plus works as concatenation operator. Yes, exactly. This is the what. Now, when we found, okay, sorry, when we found all operands are numericals, plus works as arithmetic operator. This is already I told, but again I am telling this. Gagan, Manasa, Rachna, Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal, Uday. Everybody can understand this? Manasa, why you are not talking today? What happened? Manasa, are you there? Okay. Tamal, anybody can talk to
Yeah.
me? I don't know. My
Uh,
voice is recognizing or not.
am I audible, sir?
There is some network issue today. I'm connecting with the mobile data. Anybody have the problem? Please respond, guys.
No, sir.
My voice is audible or not?
It's audible, sir.
Oh, Tamal, your voice is not coming to me. Uday, you can speak. Anybody can speak.
It's audible, sir.
Okay, fine. Your voice is not audible. My voice is audible. Huh? My voice okay, na? If my voice is okay, then fine. Super. Then go ahead. Then go ahead. No issues. Okay, let's go. Okay. Concatenation operator is this. Okay, let me go with concatenation operator. Okay, so I have something like Mohansh plus Mohansh. Mohansh plus Mohansh. What is the output of this? Mohansh. Okay, I will tell you one thing. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 30 plus hello. Now Now what is the output, guys? Remember, imagine you cannot do it like this. You cannot do like this. But the same thing you can do in the JavaScript. But you can do this in JavaScript. But it is actually asking me typecast. It is actually asking me typecast, unsupported operand like plus for the integer and string. I cannot able to add integer and strings. Please convert. Please convert. But if it is JavaScript, let me show. Let me show. I will create. Yeah. Let me open inspector console. This is the JavaScript. This is the JavaScript. But the same program, if I go and execute in the JavaScript, it will work out. Same program, if I execute in the JavaScript, it will work out. 60 hello. The same program, if I execute in the JavaScript, it will give the output like 60 hello. Okay. In the JavaScript, for example, if I give hello, then 10 plus 20 plus 30. Okay. It is actually seems different. Seems different. Sir, operator starts with the numbers. Operator starts with numbers. That is the why reason in the previous line it is actually showing that 60 hello. Why? Because plus 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 concatenation, not concatenation. That is arithmetic. First of all, it is actually plus working as arithmetic operator. Later on, it is actually going for concatenation. And in the next line, what is happening? Next line, what is happening? Starting point onwards, it is actually working as concatenation operator. In the previous line, this is actually taking the precedence of the number. In this line, it is taking a precedence as string. The precedence is very much important for you. You need to understand it. But in JavaScript, it is working, but in Python, it will not work out. In Python, it will not work out. What you have to do is a typecasting. Okay, I don't want to do the typecast right now. Okay, you can do the typecast if you want. Okay, do the typecast. What is the typecast? I already told you the typecasting process. What is the typecast process? str of 10, then again str of 20, then again str of 30. It will work out then. Okay, otherwise it will not work out. In Python it will not work out. Okay, now concatenation is working on 10, 20, 30 hello. Concatenation, just concatenation, adding, that's it. Okay, one more operator. Let me go with one more operator. After that, when we are operating, okay, that is okay. Special operators, let me go with the special operators like in operator. Okay, yeah. Now tell me, Z is the character in Z is available in Mohansh or not? Z is available in Mohansh or not? False. No, no Z is available in the Mohansh. There is no Z in the Mohansh. Okay, fine. I am asking about the M. I am asking about the O in Mohansh. O is available in the Mohansh or not? Yeah, true. Available. What is your problem? I am there. I am there. It is giving true. Okay, let me check with the list of names. Okay, let me give the names. Okay, I have to give the names here. Kamala, Vimala, Rachana, Srujana. Okay, I am just giving some names here. Okay, some names are there. Now I want to check it out. I want to check it out. Let me take some name. Kamala. Okay, Kamala. In names or not? What is the output, you guess? It is true. It is true. Okay, let me check it out. Mohansh. Mohansh in names. I'm checking. False. Mohansh is not available. Mohansh is not available. These are the different kind of operators whatever we have in Python. Am I clear, sir? Operators. Any confusion so far? Let me go to the next topic, like conditions. Conditions in Python. Conditions in Python. So if condition, if else if in other programming languages, but in the Python it is elif. There is no switch condition in Python. If else, elif. Then what about the if condition? It will check only true statements. Only true statements. It will check only true statements. If else, it will check true and false statements. True and false statements. Elif, it will check number of conditions. It will check number of conditions. Let me go with the if condition first. Okay. I defined some name here is equal to Mohansh. Okay. I want to check if name double equal to Mohansh. Let me go with the small letters only. Mohansh. Then you can give the colon, enter, indentation started. I already told you indentation will be there for the conditions, loops, functions, classes. Indentation, at least one space needed for the conditions, functions, loops, and blocks. General Python code, no space. General Python code, no space. But when you go for the functions, conditions, loops, and classes, compulsory, at least one space indentation needed. Okay. Print matched. I just need to say something like matched. Execute, sir. Matched. Is it clear? Just ping me in the chat box if you people are okay. Just ping me in the chat box. I can check your answers. Even you people can't able to talk to me, just ping me in the chat box. Gagan, Manasa, Rachna, Siddhartha, and Sriya, Tamal, Uday. Okay, fine. Right. Next, I go for if condition. If condition checks only true blocks. I already told you. If checks only true statements. If else, it will check true and false statements. Elif, it will check number of conditions. Oh my God, number of conditions. What are the number of conditions? We can see number of conditions. Yeah, let me go. Okay, this is if condition. Let me go with the if else. If else. Okay. The same program I want to write down. Write it down. Name Mohansh. I am checking with the capital M, sir. I am checking with the capital M, Mohansh. This time matched. If it is not matched, just go for the else block. You have to say like not matched, something like this. Okay. Now the output is not matched. If it is true, execute the true block. If it is false, go for the false block. That's all done. So now the if block is not working, sir. Why? Because of it is not true. Okay, this is the true block. I say like this is a true block. This is a false block. There are two blocks available for the if else. But in the if condition, only true block available. There is no false block. Only true block. Right. Next, what about the elif, sir? Checking n number of conditions. Okay. Generally, for example, when you go to the ATM, Then you go to the ATM. One ATM is not working. Next, go for the another ATM. It is not working. Go for the another ATM, not working. Go for the another ATM, not working. Go for the bank. Go for the bank. If you want to withdraw cash, or if I want to eat biryani, for example, I go to one restaurant. That restaurant not opened. I go to the another restaurant. That restaurant also not opened. Again another restaurant not opened. Finally, prepare biryani yourself. Prepare biryani yourself. So checking the n number of conditions, finally it will go to the else block. That is actually called elif. Let me go. Okay, I'm checking speed. Speed is equal to 90. Okay, if speed less than 30, speed less than 30, print I can say low speed, low speed. Hmm. Elif, elif speed greater than 30 and speed less than 60, I can say average speed. I can say average speed. Hmm. Again elif speed greater than 60 and speed less than 100. Let's say good speed, good speed. Finally, else I can say high speed. Okay, so now you tell me what is the output of this program. Now you tell me what is the output of this program. Please ping me in the chat box. What is the output of the program? If you people can't able to talk to me, please ping me in the chat box. What is the output of this program? Gagan, Manasa, Rachna, Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal, Uday. Please ping me in the chat box. What is the output you guess? What is the output you guess? Sir, if my voice is audible, please. Manasa is saying like high speed. No, Manasa. How, Manasa? Speed is 90, Manasa. It is in between 60 to 100, right? It is between 60 to 100. 90 is the value. Whatever I am giving the value 90, that is in between 60 to 100. That is actually good speed. Finally, output is good speed. Oh, high speed. Okay. Mhm. Okay, less than speed, less than. My God, I did a mistake. Yeah, I did a mistake. Yeah. Okay, I give 90. Good speed. This is actually I want. Good speed. Why? Because now speed is actually greater than 60, less than 100. Greater than 60, less than 100 means it is between the 60 to 100 only, na? It is between the 60 to 100 only, na? So my speed is basically 90. So that is basically good speed. That is basically good speed. In the way you can able to understand the ellipse. Am I clear? Am I clear, everyone? Let me go to the loops. If this is clear, I will go to the loops now. Please respond, everyone, in the chat box. Gagan, Manasa, Rachna, Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal, Uday, please respond in the chat box. I don't know. I can't able to hear you people. You can respond in the chat box at least. Sriya saying clear. Manasa, okay. Manasa clear. Sriya. Okay. Only Manasa and Sriya responding. Huh? Okay, no problem. Let me go to the loops now. Loops in Python. Loops in Python. Okay, what is loop? First of all, loop is iteration. Loop is iteration. Okay, so in Python there are only two loops we have. One is while loop and one is for. Only two. Only two. One is a while loop, one is a for loop. Okay, let me go to the while loop first. In the real time, people will use only for loop, sir. No worry about the while loop. But yeah, I will tell the while loop. Yeah, while I is equal to 0, I is the initialization. While I less than 10 or I less than 6, print I, then I is going to be incrementing by 1. I plus is equal to 1. That's it. That's it. Okay, I can able to see the 6 values. I can able to see the 6 values starting with 0. I can able to see the 6 values starting with a 0. That is the actually while loop. Simple thing. But for loop is different. In Python, for loop is there, not like other programming languages. For I in range of 6. I in range of 6. Then print I. That's all. Print I. That's all. Now, which is the easy for you? While loop or for loop? Same output. Same output. Which is easy for you? Instead of writing 4 lines of the code. Instead of writing 4 lines of the code, here I am writing only 2 lines. Which is easy for you guys? While loop or for loop? Both are same. Both are same. Which is easy for you? For loop, Sriya. That's it. For loop. For loop. Yes, yes. That's it. Okay. Now I want to work with one more thing. For okay, let me define some names here. Names is equal to, I just want to give Sriya, Manasa, Rachna, Uday, Mohansh. Finally, Mohansh. Okay. So now I want to print all the names for name in names. Name in names. Print name. Execute it. I want to print each and every name. That's it. I want to print each and every name. That's it. Okay. Here I have a simple question, sir. Sriya is having 5 characters. Manasa is having 6 characters. Rachna is having 6 characters again. Okay. I want to find out who is the name having 6 characters. Who is the name having 6 characters? I want to find out. Okay. How to find out? How to find out? How to find out? How to find out 6 character names from the names for name in names. Name is my custom variable, sir. Don't worry about it. If name length of name, if length of name double equal to 6, one more block. For loop is one block and if is one block. For loop is one block and if is one block. Finally, I want to print the names. That's it. Only Manasa having 6 characters. Huh? Super. Rachna is having 7 characters. Uday is having only 4 characters. Okay, I want to find out the 4 character name. I want to find out the 4 character name. Only Uday. I want to find out 7 character name. Find out. Oh, Rachna and Mohansh both are having 7 characters. That is very, very nice. Okay, now I want to write down one more program for you. For in for I in I is something like index in range of 100. Range is 100 basically. In that range, I want to take 13 multiples, sir. 13 multiples. Who is the 13 multiple in the 100 range? If I less percentile double equal to 13. Percentile 13 double equal to 0. Yeah, this is the one. Then I want to print a I value. Only 13 multiples I want to print. Only 13 multiples I want to print. Okay. Can you see the 13 multiples between the 0 to 100? Range is 100, sir. In this range, 100 values, I want to print only 13 multiples. 13 multiple, nothing but when you get the remainder 0, that is 13 multiple. When you get the remainder 0, that is 13 multiple. Okay, fine. That is okay. I want to find out the even numbers. One simple program. I want to find out the even numbers. Only even numbers. Even numbers means what? I percentile 2 is equal to 0, even numbers. I percentile 2 is equal to 0, that is even numbers. Am I clear, sir? Everyone, am I clear? Evens. Even numbers. Okay, I want to find out the odd numbers. I want to find out the odd numbers then. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Percentile 2 not equal to 0. Not equal to. There is operator not equal to. Then I can able to find out the odd numbers between the 0 to 10. Everybody can clear about this? We discussed about the conditions and loops today, and even operators also. 3 topics done. Operators we done, conditions we done, loops we done. Any confusion so far? Please let me know about class, the chat box. Please ping me in the chat box, everyone. Is there any confusions? Is there any confusions? Okay, so please, I want to give you this message, guys. Okay, I'm going to be starting Gen AI batch. I'm going to be starting Gen AI batch on November 2nd. That is my birthday gift. I already told you. On November 2nd, my birthday is there. On that day, I'm going to be giving a gift to you. Gen AI, Generative AI, 30 days free batch. No need to pay money. No need to pay money. Okay, you can join it. And I'm going to be starting a new free batch React JS also on the same day. I will announce the timings and all. No worries about it. So in this year, all the sessions are free, sir. In 2025, November and December, October, November, December, all the sessions are free. You people can join and enjoy the sessions. All technologies are emerging technologies only. Whatever the technologies we are going to be dealing, all the technologies are emerging technologies only. Please post this message in your social media, guys. Whatever the message I given in the chat box, please post this message in your social media. Like you have Instagram, you have LinkedIn, you have Twitter, you have Facebook, you have blah blah blah. Please post this message in your favorite what is this called, social media. Yeah, that is the only favor you people have to do. And one more favor, please like the videos, subscribe the channel, and please provide your comments. Your comments are valuable. Your comments are valuable. Why? Because unknown person can see this video. Unsubscribed person, unknown person can see this video by your comments. That is one algorithm basically working behind for YouTube. You can just go through that. And I already told you, Mohan, she is going to be having all emerging technologies. Mohan, she is going to be having all emerging technologies. What all the technologies like? Let me show. What are the courses we are going to be dealing here? All are emerging or not? Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So these are the courses: cybersecurity, PingFederate, Ping Access, Groovy with AI, full stack ML AI, Okta, full stack Marn AI, Go language with AI, MuleSoft, blockchain with W3JS, Web3JS, blockchain security, blockchain Python, quantum computing. Yes. Now, central government or state governments are actually investing money for the quantum computing. This is the next level of computing. No CPUs, no GPUs, only QPUs in the future. Only QPUs in the future. That quantum computing also, we are going to be starting the batch very soon. And these are the only emerging technologies we are going to be dealing. And we are giving a lot of free batches and free classes. Please join and please refer your friends also. That's what. Okay. So see you signing off. We'll meet in the Mariner Stack batch at 12 p.m. Bye for now. Have a good day. See you signing off. Tomorrow we'll meet again. Thanks for attending the session.